Hi all, in this video we will see how to create an n8n workflow that reviews your calendar for the current week and generates a structured summary of all upcoming appointments and events. Check out the links in the description if you would like to get all the resources used to build this workflow. At a high level, this automation begins with a schedule trigger node that activates at a specific time on a specific day as per the schedule. It retrieves all your calendar events for the week, organizes them by day and time, and finally the summary is sent to you directly as a Slack message. Import the workflow template that I provided in the video description before you begin building the automation. I will show you how to import the template. Log into your n8n instance. When you are in the n8n canvas, click on the three dots here, then select import from file option. Navigate to the directory where you downloaded the template. Select the template file and click the open button here. We can see the workflow is imported. Let us walk through the workflow now, starting with the schedule trigger node. This workflow will run on the schedule you define here and then you activate the workflow. Here you can specify the scheduling details. For the trigger interval, I have specified days, and days between triggers is just 1. That means we want to run this every day. Then trigger at hour, we can specify the timing. Here I have specified 7 a.m. and here you can specify the minutes also. Next we have the AI agent node. Its purpose is to process the calendar data and generate a textual summary based on the extracted events. We set the prompt type to define below, and here we have given the detailed prompt that outlines the expected behavior. You can click on this corner to make it full window. Here we have specified the goal. We are saying you are a smart calendar assistant. Your job is to automatically review the user's calendar for the current week. Then we have given the tasks. Then we have given the example output. I have provided this entire prompt in the resource section. You can modify it as per your requirement. Next we have OpenRouter chat model node. This node leverages the DeepSeek model to facilitate conversation with the AI agent. Here in the credential to connect with, you will enter your OpenRouter credentials. If you did not already create the credential, you can refer to the video link in the description. The model is set to DeepSeek Chat v3 0324 free version, and there are no additional options configured. The best thing is that the use of this LLM is absolutely free of charge. The following node is the Google Calendar node, which retrieves all calendar events. It is configured to pull events from the user's Google Calendar account. Here in the credential to connect with field, you will enter your Google credentials. If you did not already create the credential, you can refer to the video link in the description. Additionally, you will need to enable Google Calendar API and add the scope so that n8n can access your calendar data. I will show you how to do that. Log into your Google Cloud Console first. I'm going to console.cloud.google.com. Make sure the Gmail you use is the Gmail you want to access having the Google Calendar. Here I am in n8n demo project. Once you select your project, click on the menu here, then navigate to APIs and services. Click on the library option here, then search for Google Calendar API, then click on the Google Calendar API from the search results. Click on this enable button. To add the scope, click on the OAuth consent screen, then click on the data access option. Select add or remove scopes here, then click in this field and select API. Select Google Calendar API from here. You can select this auth calendar scope. Here it has the description of the scope. It can see, edit, share and permanently delete all the calendars you can access. Select this scope. This will give the agent full access to your Google Calendar. Then click on the update button here. You will see the scope has been added here. In the resource field, we have selected event, and in the operation field, we selected get many. Get many allows us to retrieve all the current week's events. Then in the calendar, click on this drop down box, then select the Gmail that is associated with your Google Calendar. In the limit field, we have specified 50 and we have specified the range that it should look for while fetching the events. We have specified from now onwards till the end of the current week. This node is indispensable as it feeds the AI agent with the necessary event data it needs to create the summary. After retrieving the calendar events, data flows into Slack message node. This node sends the generated summary directly to a specified Slack channel. Here in the credential to connect with field, you will enter your Slack credentials. If you did not already create the credential, you can refer to the video link in the description. In the resource field, we have selected message, and in the operation field, we have selected send, and in the send message to, we have selected channel, meaning we are sending the message to a channel, and here we have provided the channel name all Slack n8n workflow. In the message type, we have specified simple text message, and the message text, this will contain the output from the AI agent. We have added this option include link to workflow, and we have switched it off. When we turn this off, the append link to this workflow message will not appear at the end of the Slack message. If you turn this on, or if you don't include this option, for every Slack message, it will append a link to this workflow. Now that we have configured the entire workflow, we can start our testing. To see the results, I will bring up the Slack desktop app so that I can show the Slack messages. We are in this Slack n8n workflow channel, and currently it does not have any message related to our calendar events. I will also show you my Google Calendar and the current week events. On Friday 27, I have an appointment with Alex at 2 p.m. That's the only event I have. Let us run the workflow by clicking on this test workflow button. We can see the workflow is running. The workflow finished successfully. It also sent us a Slack message. Let us bring up the Slack app. Here you see we have received this message. Your weekly schedule from June 23rd to June 29. On Friday, June 27 at 2 p.m. I have appointment with Alex. Everything is working perfectly. Remember to save your workflow by clicking the save button here. The workflow is not saved automatically. If you don't save your workflow and accidentally close the browser, you may lose all your work. You can also activate this workflow by toggling this button to on position so that it will run according to the schedule criteria you specify in the schedule trigger. If you need help building automated lead generations, setting up cold email machines for your marketing campaigns, please reach out to me. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section if there is any specific topic you want to be covered. Bye until next video.